Music heard round the planet returns to the concert stage. The band the New York Times calls a rock and roll institution.
It's my life.
Bon Jovi. Live. Get ready to be committed to the sanitarium. Metallica Summer Sanitarium 2003 returns bigger, better, and angrier. Metallica and Limp Bizkit live. Concert halls and stadiums across the country sold out. 6-time Entertainer of the Year. There's a reason for it.
She thinks my tractor's sexy.
Kenny Chesney's on fire. Kenny Chesney. The Poets and Pirates Tour. Friday night, September 27th, Verizon Wireless Theater. There's not another show like this. From the director of The Pursuit of Happiness.
Tell me what's going on. You can't play with people's lives.
Will Smith, 7 pounds. Good boys play nice and easy. Bad boys with big bad monster trucks. Tear it up! Here come the bad boys in the Monster Truck Winter Nationals and Thrill Show. Are you ready?